Hello guys, today I will show you how to block websites on Firefox. If you are using a computer, you can block websites using the free block sites add-ons recommended by Firefox. First, open Firefox on your computer and click the menu button. Click add-ons and themes. Then search block websites on field more add-ons. This add-ons cause block websites by Ray. Lets you block individual website in Firefox. Then click the blue plus button, add to Firefox button. Click add on the pop-up warning. This adds the extension to Firefox. Check the box next to allow the extension to run in private window. Click the blue OK Got it button to confirm. The add-ons is now ready to use. Click the menu. It's a 3 horizontal line at the top right corner of Firefox. A menu will expand it. Click add-ons on the menu. It's the option with a pulse peaks icon. Click the extensions tab. It's on the left side of the window. Open block site option. Scroll down until you find the block site. Click the 3 horizontal dot and then select option. Type or paste the URL of the website you want to block. This address goes into the block a new hostname field at the top of the page. For example, if you wanted to block Twitter, Google, you would type www.twitter.com into this text box. Add the website to block list. This site you entered will now appear under selecting role at the top of the page. Then create a master password is a bottom. Click save to save your changes. It's at the bottom of the page. Please like this video, subscribe our channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.